Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Follow us here in all platforms. We're giving the business principles at work in all economies. We always talk about the 4 pillars of life that makes an extraordinary life. Those are health, wealth, love, and happiness. So check out the links in the description. I'm going to leave some lucrative products and opportunities that you can tap into so that you can bring the best version of yourself. Okay, we're going to start with a 15-minute workout today. Remember 3 steps, 15 minutes per day, have a clean diet, and step number 3, take supplements that are organic and natural to help you with step 1 and step 2. Okay, we're going to be doing a little bit of arms today. I'm going to mix it up. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Make sure you leave your question below. Give us some feedback. We highly appreciate your time here, and ensure that you stretch at the beginning and also at the end, and get your cardio in, okay? I'm gonna start with some single curls right now. Show you how easy it is to get in shape by doing baby steps every day. Remember, the smallest things we do in life makes a big difference in our lives, ironically. So don't underestimate the baby steps. We need discipline plus consistency. We're doing 3 sets of each exercise. I'm keeping the same weight because it's making me sweat and I'm feeling it. Remember the 3 key factors when we do any workout. Number 1, have the right formation, right? The right technique. Number 2, your breathing. And number 3, the control. It's not about the speed, but it's about those 3 things. Breathe. Right, let me switch it up now. We're going to be doing now the curls, but we're going to use 2 arms at the same time. We're going to go up the way a little bit. If you're interested in building passive income, learning how to build your asset column, make sure you go to our wealth courses that we have available for you online. And our main website, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And I want you to take massive action, okay? Start with the 4 pillars of life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. That will create an extraordinary life for you if you build them simultaneously. We have the tools, resources, and financial education to make that possible here at Master Investor. So welcome to our community. I'm glad you're here with us today. Thank you for your time. Leave us a comment and make sure you share this information with others, because that's when it becomes a treasure, when we share it with other people. Last set right here, that we're gonna move on to our next workout. We're already 6 minutes into our workout. Whew. That feels great. I'm gonna bring this up now. And I'm gonna do the opposite direction. Bring this down a little bit so you can see my motion. Yeah, I think you can see it better now. I'm going like that at the end. I'm gonna twist my wrist. See it? I'm gonna keep that same weight. Remember, it's not about the weight so much. I mean, make sure it is something that is making you feel the workout, but it doesn't have to be extra heavy. You don't have to kill yourself. You have to make sure you get through your workout, break some sweat, and concentrate on the muscle that you're targeting. One more set. Let me finish this out right here. right, good. Let's move to the next workout. I'm gonna twist it a little bit, go up, so you can see I'm doing some abs and I'm doing some pull-ups, which one more set of pull-ups and abs, and we should be great. We're 10 minutes into our workout, actually 12 minutes. We've got about 3 more minutes left. You see how fast time goes? Those 15 minutes goes by fast, but if we do the right workout and we push ourselves, we can really make a difference. That's all we need to get in the best shape of our life. Look at my sweat. It's not even funny. And this is real, right? How fast we can get a workout in. Let's come over here to finish our workout with some nice repetitions of chest. Right here. There you go. I think that does great. Oh. Whew. All right. Feeling fantastic. I hope that you are enjoying this amazing workout with me. Thank you for being part of our community here at Master Investor, bringing you the good and bad news of money, teaching you the business principles that work in all economies. A quick business tip that I can give you is that the smarter we become in business, the better we're going to be with investing, because investing has to do with business. That's why here at Master Investor, we teach you the business principles that work in any type of economy. It doesn't matter if the economy is crashing, a true master investor, which we all have one inside of us, we just got to bring it out and polish it with financial education in order to optimize the knowledge that is already out there, to capitalize on our passions, do less to make more, reach total freedom, live the lifestyle that you imagine and desire, and as much give back to the community, right? There's nothing better than giving away our talents and skills to the world so that we can impact it positively and we can see it transform before our eyes, okay? So much we have here to offer to you, and the more we help you understand business, the more passive income you'll be able to build. We don't tell you where to invest your money. We do tell you to invest it on yourself. That's the best investment you can make, right? But we don't tell you what to do with your money, what investments to choose, or where sector to go to. We give you the business principles that work in all economies, and then with financial education, you can make a savvy decision in which asset class or which of those classes. There are 5 asset classes that you can choose from. Which are the ones that you're going to focus on and build passive income from, okay? So they all have their pros and cons. It's up to you who gets to decide at the end of the day what to do with your financial future. We don't tell you, hey, invest in this, invest in that. We do encourage you to always invest in yourself, but aside from that, we want you to get financial educated so that you can make savvy decisions when it comes to investing in anything, and you can understand how to build passive income, which is the best type of income we can create. All right, let me do here one more set. All right, and if you want to learn how to make sales on autopilot, how to turn your passions into cash flow, aka passive income, then get our latest ebook on Amazon. You can find it on our website. It's called The 10 New Rules of Money. And what you need to understand is that the rules of money have changed over time, and majority of people, as we're noticing, are still playing with the old rules. And what that means is that they're losing rather than winning, okay? So get the new rules under your belt. Also get our course on our main website that is called How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. And those are the 2 things that I'm giving you today that you can start building passive income with ease and guidance, okay? I'm gonna do one more set and we're done. And then I'm gonna stretch and go into the sauna for about 15 minutes. Make sure you do your cardio, leave a comment below, and also check out the links that I have put in this video somewhere in the description, and take massive action, okay? Last set right here. We're already past 15 minutes. We're 17 minutes in. Finish strong. All right. Congratulations on another 15 minutes workout challenge. Make sure you put the hashtag 15-minute workout challenge so that we can make this go viral. Share it with others. I'll see you on the next video. Stay great, bring you the good and bad news of money. Welcome to our community here at Master Investor. Stay strong. Bye for now.